Now let's see this sentence. We ought to show kindness to animals. Now since we have ought to, this is a model where we have ought to, show, can, may, should, all those model words used as models. So now we ought to is that we should show kindness to animals. Then how do we change it to a passive voice? Kindness. So we start with kindness or to be shown to animals. Okay, just like when we don't have a subject, so we assume like punish the man. So the man, again we have a model here, must. The man must be punished. Like shut the door. Now shut the door does not have, who's going to shut the door? There is no object over there, it's just a command. So we, in these cases when it is an imperative sentence and there is a command, we assume a subject. So we say, we write, let the door be shut. Clear? So what do? We assume the subject. See, let's see this. The cat chases the rat. Now, in order to change it into passive form, the cat chases the rat. So to change it to passive form, it will become the cat is chased by the rat. Yes. So let's let's again change it to, let's see, present continuous. The cat is chasing the rat. So we change it again. The rat is being chased, because this is our present continuous. Is being chased by who? The cat. Yes. So we got the present form here in being active passive. We got our present continuous here. Now let's see the next one. The cat chased the rat. So past, let's see how we change this. The rat was chased by the cat. So by changing the tense, we have changed it into the passive. So just like we do past perfect, the cat was chased by the rat. Was chased now. So you notice was. So we are going to change it to was chased will change to was being chased. Was being chased. Is that clear? Or then if you want to change it to will chased, that means the cat will chase the rat. Will chase the rat. Then to make it into the passive form, the rat will be chased. The rat will be chased by. The rat will be chased by who? By the cat. So what we did just now was with this cat and rat sentence, we covered all the tenses so that you come to know much more in detail how passive form is made. Let us see one more. We elected him captain. See, we elected him. So this is one tense. Now, in order to make it a past tense, he was elected. He was elected. So that's how we made it into a passive form, and this was your active sentence. So now let's see another last example I'm writing for you. The court found the man guilty. The court found the man guilty. So let's see the sentence by itself. The man was found guilty by the court. Clear? Was found guilty by the court. So we have used was found. That is a change in the sentence. One last sentence to make this concept very, very clear to you. Poverty made him desperate. Poverty made him desperate. So in order to make this into a passive sentence, we will write he was made desperate by poverty. Yes? Now I think I have done lots of examples for you all, with you all, and I hope that the active passive change is understood in any form of grammar, maybe it in present tense or present continuous or in the future forms, so that you can attempt any kind of work in active and passive voice.